Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be washing my very dry hair. My hair has been up in under braids, under my wigs for about 6 weeks now. So I'm just going to take it down and wash it so that I can braid it down again. And my scalp was really itchy and my hair was very dry. I was supposed to oil my scalp and I just didn't. And you would think that I would since my ends are color treated, but you know, there's that. And that's just the area where my wig clips go. I've been wearing a lot of glueless wigs lately, so all of my clips so happen to go right in the front of my head. And I'm very tender-headed, so a lot of this hurt. My hair is also very low porosity, so it takes a very long time for water to get into my hair strands to like actually wet my hair. Like I had to stand underneath the shower for like about 10 minutes in order to fully saturate my hair because my hair was just not accepting the water. And I'm just gonna go in with the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. If anyone's used the Diva Curl Build-Up Buster, it's pretty much like that, except it's more liquidy. I feel like the Build-Up Buster has more of like texture to it, so it'll lather easier. This has a concentrated nozzle on it, which I really love because it allows me to get the product directly onto my scalp, because that's where my focus is, to just kind of do like a base wash on my hair. But as you can see, like, it does not lather very well. I just really use it to break up the dirt that's in my roots and everything. And I'm just gonna, yeah, it's very liquidy. And now you can see, like, the more you use, the more it'll start to lather. But I put a lot like directly onto my scalp, and I just want to focus it on my scalp for right now. This is kind of like a clarifying rinse. It definitely kind of stripped my hair a little bit, which I don't mind because, hello, my hair hadn't been washed in like 6 weeks, so I definitely needed it to take everything off. I usually go in with like the Suave clarifying shampoo, but sometimes I feel like that's just way too harsh for my hair and it kind of dries my hair out. But this one doesn't take the moisture out. So now I'm just going to go in with the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo with avocado and jojoba oil. I really love this shampoo. It's very moisturizing, and it cleans my hair really well, but it doesn't like strip my hair. And as you can see, like, I'm running it down the actual length of my hair. I'm very generous with this shampoo because I'm only going to shampoo once because I don't want to dry my hair out. So I'm making sure that I lather it really well, that I'm getting to all of the areas that I need to get to, because I'm only going to do this one time. Next, I'm gonna go in with the conditioner from the same line. Also has the same ingredients in it. I'm very generous with this product because I want to make sure that I soften my hair enough for me to be able to detangle it. It may look like my shower water is hot, but I usually wash my hair on a warm temperature, just enough to open up my hair shaft so that, it's not super dry. And I'm just splitting my hair into 4 sections to make it easier to detangle it. And now I'm going in with my Tangle Teaser. I really do not like this brush to detangle my hair. I would much rather use like a Denman 9-row brush, but my hair is so thick that I keep breaking those, so I just decided to go ahead and get this one. And I feel like it doesn't have as many teeth as the Denman brush does, so it kind of makes it harder for me to detangle. So now I have to finger detangle. Now, when I was using a Denman brush, I never had to finger detangle my hair, but now I do because that brush just does not. Well, also, my hair hasn't been washed in 6 weeks, so there's that. The conditioner definitely made it a lot easier to separate my hair and everything, and now you see that the brush is just sliding through effortlessly. And yeah, you can definitely count on that conditioner because look at the hair. Look at it. It just looks happier.
Caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now,
and arm day is complete. Go to the gym for what?
outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
So I detangled the rest of my hair off camera because it literally took so long, and I just put it into 4 sections to keep it out of the way. And now I'm just rinsing the conditioner out and making sure I got all of the tangles out by finger combing it as the conditioner is sliding down the strands. As you can tell, like, it's fairly easy for me to run my fingers through it. I had a snag here and there, but it was just easy to get that separated so that I could continue to run my fingers through my hair with no problem. And this is the total amount of hair that I shed, in about 6 weeks of not, touching my hair at all. And now I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Protein Treatment. I love this stuff, as you can tell. I usually just use it as like a base for a DIY deep conditioner, but I didn't want to put too much protein in my hair because the last time I did wash my hair, I did do that, and I don't want to do too much to it. But protein really helps the ends of my hair more than it does the tops because the ends are color treated, so it kind of just keeps it from looking limp and being too dry, and it just restores the ends of my hair.
If your daddy want to Chevy with the wood, and then mama we could pull up in the woods with it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Midnight moon make your whole soul glow, yeah. She my pals, me no poppy, yeah. Me don't wanna hurt nobody, yeah. Me just want my people thriving, yeah. Kill the cops and start the culture vultures. I'm learning to teach my kids about agriculture. FDA approving murder burgers. The bullets ain't the only thing that hurt us. We really are supposed to serve a purpose.
Now I'm just gonna put my hair up into a mini pineapple so that it's out of the way and deep conditioning while I go ahead and wash my body. And as you can see, it was fairly easy to take the hair tie out, and my hair felt dramatically different from when I first started washing it. Like, it is softer, it's easy for me to, run my fingers through it. It feels so great.
Clap, clap, then cha cha real smooth. If they PR on the news, let me stop. Hop in the booth and eject the top. Fly in the boot bomb, found a pop. Ratchet and righteous, we all we got. Shout out my mama, she never judged me. Even told me I'm cute when I know I'm ugly. Shout the ones who I know only God control me. Smoking nowadays, I always need three to hold me. The Father, the Son, the Holy Smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb that knows.
And that's pretty much it for my wash day routine. After this, I'm just gonna blow dry it and braid it back down to go back under my wigs. And that's pretty much everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.
The Holy Smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb that knows xoxo, mama.